facts about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. Like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and wages, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, you can see photo ID and check. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is fine if guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Six categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several fees and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this hotel, you can tell us by the we will help you. If you have any question, share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new topic. Be safe, be happy.